Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year to you guys, and thank you for all your subscription. Thank you for liking my videos, and thank you so much for taking the time out to watch my video. So today I'm going to be making for you guys my sweet and spicy citrus chicken wings. So here I have my chicken wings that's seasoned ahead of time. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yep, I have it seasoned ahead of time. And what I'm going to do in this pot here, I have my oil. And you got to make sure that your oil is hot, but not too hot where it's going to brown the wings too fast and not let them cook inside. So we're going to start frying the wings. So what I do is I fry them first, and then put my citrus spicy sauce on, and then I put them in the oven. So stay tuned guys. I'm going to fry these up, and then I'm going to show you how I make this. Oh, yep, nice and hot. Okay guys, so I'm gonna make those in the pot fry nice and golden brown, and I'm gonna go ahead and continue frying. And once I fry everything and have them to the nice and golden brown color that I want, I'm gonna come back and show you guys how I add my sauce, and then we'll continue the video from there. Okay, again guys, thank you for your like, share, your subscription. Thank you for taking the time out again. Alright, this is my my sweet and spicy citrus chicken wings. It's a lot to say. Sweet and spicy citrus chicken wings. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so welcome back. So I have my chicken wings fried nice and golden brown. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you how I make my sweet and spicy citrus sauce. So in this container I have this is the sweet and spicy sauce, and this is the Grace sweet and spicy sauce. So to this, because it's nice and thick, as you can see it's very thick, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a little bit of orange juice to reduce it a little bit from being that thick. I want it a little bit thinner, so when it goes on my chicken, it's not thick and gooey. It's just right. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I am going to incorporate my orange juice, and this is where the citrus flavor comes in. So you gotta mix it. And once I coat my chicken wings with this, then I'm gonna stick it in the oven for about half an hour. Okay, here we go. Alright, so now I'm gonna start dipping my chicken wings. To my pan that I am going to put in the oven. And once it's going in the oven guys, it's gonna start thicken up again. So If it's a little bit watery now, don't worry about it. Once it goes in the oven, like I said, it's gonna be nice and thick. Okay, it's just to get your chicken wings nicely coated. So I made my chicken nice and golden and crispy because of the sauce. I don't want it to be soggy. I want my chicken wings to still have like a nice crunch to it, but not too crunchy and not too soggy. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to continue to add my chicken to the sauce and into the pan. Once I take it out the oven, guys, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like, okay? So I'll see you guys shortly. Hi guys, so welcome back. So it's been about 45 minutes since I put my chicken in the oven with my sweet and spicy citrus sauce that I made, and show you guys how I make it. And this is what the chicken looks like. It's nice and tender and citrusy and spicy at the same time, and it's not too gooey with the sauce, and it's not too and the chicken is not soggy. It still has that crispy taste to it. Okay guys, so I'm gonna plate this and I'm gonna let you guys see once I put this on the plate. Alright guys, so again, this is my sweet and spicy citrus chicken wing. Sweet and spicy citrus chicken wing. Again guys, thanks for taking the time out to watch my videos. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to tell a friend that Angel Delight is cooking up some goodness up in her kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe. Did I say subscribe? Yeah, subscribe. And hey, hit that notification bell so whenever I upload a new video, you guys will be the first to be notified. Thank you again, and I'm going to show you the final presentation. See you shortly. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So my sweet and spicy citrus chicken wing is complete. As you can see, I have it on the plate all ready to go. I am serving this today with some rice and peas, some oven jerk pork, and cabbage and mixed veggie. The oven jerk pork, I will have a video coming up showing you guys how I do my oven jerk. But there is my citrus chicken wing. Okay guys, all right, thank you again for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to tell a friend that Angela is cooking up some good stuff, and continue to watch my videos. Again guys, thank you so much. Happy New Year.